Summer. Summer is one of the four seasons. Spring, summer, winter, fall. The air is hot in summer. The days are long. The leaves are green. The flowers are colorful. Gardens grow in summer. Finn picks the tomatoes. Animals try to stay cool. The cow rests in the shade. Summer can be fun. Julia likes to fish. Lucy plays at the beach. John swims in the pool. Addie enjoys a picnic. Ryan plays baseball. What will you do this summer? Summer fun. Blow bubbles.
Now that you've learned all about summer, it's your job to go on Seesaw and take a video. Can you tell your teacher at least one thing that you learned about summer? I can't wait to see your videos.